Hello friend, what if one of these ordinary Washington quarters in your pocket is actually worth millions? Would you throw away a fortune right now? These three coins look completely normal, but what hidden million-dollar error could be staring at you under magnification? Imagine finding a doubled die or missing clad layer that turns 25 cents into hundreds of thousands overnight. Is one of these exact coins sitting in your hand right now? Today I'm exposing the shocking truth with extreme close-ups. But first, which of these three quarters could make you rich in 2026? Don't blink. The answers will blow your mind. This 1984 P. Washington quarter is about to shatter everything you think you know about pocket change. 1 billion coins struck in Philadelphia that year. 1 billion. Yet right now in 2026, certain specimens are quietly making smart hunters rich, while everyone else throws them away like trash. This isn't your grandpa's coin collecting. This is next-level error forensics that most channels are too scared to show you. I'm exposing the hidden matrix of mistakes the mint left behind, and I'm doing it live with this exact coin. First mind blower, the phantom letter attack. On some 1984 P quarters, letters in Liberty literally vanish like they were erased by invisible ink. Not where, pure mint error. Grease infiltrated the die and blocked the strike. One collector recently moved a razor-sharp missing letter example for over $520. What if yours is next? But wait, that's just the warm-up. The real killer is the die grease apocalypse. Entire sections of Washington's face, the stars, even parts of the eagle on the back get completely wiped out. These aren't minor blurs. We're talking ghost-like blank zones that look alien. Mid-level specimens are pulling $250 to $450 at auction right now. And the craziest ones? Way higher. Now things get dangerous, off-center warfare. When the planchet shifts even slightly, you get that signature crescent moon missing from the design. 15% off-center? Already exciting. 30% plus with clear date? That's four-figure money in today's market. These visually explosive errors are what make videos go viral. And then, the double die invasion. This is where the 1984 P becomes legendary. Doubling on the date, on Liberty, on Washington's eyebrow, even on the mint mark area. Strong examples show clear split serifs and notching that screams premium. Top specimens have crushed $1,000 to multiple thousands when graded and sold to hungry collectors. I'm flipping this specific 1984 P under microscope level magnification right now so you can see what the pros see. Pause for dramatic close-ups. Zoom in on the date. Notice anything unusual on the 84 foot? Shift to Liberty. Some letters look thicker, almost shadowed. That's not lighting. That's double die territory. Now the reverse. Check the eagle's wing feathers for any extra lines. These microscopic battles are where real money hides. Here's what separates advanced hunters from casual collectors in 2026. You don't wait for silver or old dates. You attack modern coins with forensic precision. Phone macro lens, bright LED light, and relentless focus on every surface. Even a clean, uncirculated 1984 P beats face value by 40 to 100 times in high grade. Add any error layer, and the value curve goes vertical. But I'm going deeper than anyone else on YouTube right now. Secret layer most miss. Edge inspection. Some 1984 P quarters show broad strike characteristics where the coin spreads out unnaturally wide. Others reveal faint collar scars or extra metal fins. These subtle edge anomalies combine with obverse errors to create ultra-rare combination strikes that serious error collectors chase aggressively. Another advanced angle, die crack networks. Tiny raised lines running through the design like lightning bolts. When these cracks reach certain stages, they create CUD errors, big blobs of raised metal. Documented 1984 P-CUD errors have sold for strong premiums because they prove the exact moment the die was failing. Think about the story this coin carries. Struck in 1984 during a historic era, it survived decades of circulation, and now in 2026 it sits here potentially worth hundreds or thousands because of a split-second mistake at the mint. This is the new frontier of coin hunting, turning ordinary circulation finds into serious profit centers. Quick challenge for you. Pause this video right now, grab any quarters you have, and check the 1984 P1s using the exact techniques I'm showing. Comment below with what you discover. The most shocking finds will get spotlighted in future videos. This 1984 P just proved one brutal truth. The biggest treasures aren't always the oldest or rarest by mintage. They're the ones everyone else overlooked. The value isn't in the metal. It's in the mistake. And we're only getting started. This coin delivered multiple layers of shock value. But coin number 2, the 1993 D, has even wilder surprises waiting. Before we jump ahead, one final ultra-close sweep of this 1984 PE so the details burn into your brain. Remember, every time you get change, you're holding lottery tickets. Most are worthless, but once in a while, you hit the error jackpot. Like button if you want me to destroy more myths in the next segment. Subscribe and ring the bell. We're exposing the entire trio today. Now, are you ready for what the 1993 D is hiding? Coin number 2 is the 1993 D Washington quarter, and it's about to drop multiple bombshells that will change how you look at Denver minted coins forever. Over 645 million pieces hammered out in Denver that year. A ridiculously high mintage that screams worthless to beginners. But in 2026, the smartest hunters are laughing all the way to the bank because this date delivers some of the most violent and profitable errors in the entire modern Washington series. This isn't theory. This is real-world forensic destruction of common assumptions. The 1993 D is a silent predator. High production created the perfect storm for chaos at the mint, and we're exposing every layer live. First explosion, double die reverse, DDR, terror. Certain 1993 D quarters show clear doubling on the eagle's wings, the stars, the lettering of United States, or the denomination. Strong DDR examples display sharp separation and notching that hits you like a lightning strike. These aren't subtle, they're aggressive. Graded specimens regularly command $150 to $400 plus, with elite examples pushing well beyond that in hot auctions. But that's child's play compared to what comes next. Double strike mayhem. Imagine the coin getting hammered twice, sometimes both strikes off center. These double-struck 1993 D quarters look like they survived a war zone. One dramatic double-struck piece recently changed hands for serious money because the overlapping designs create a hypnotic visual effect collectors can't resist. This is where 25 cents transforms into hundreds or even thousands in a single chaotic moment at the mint. Now we enter forbidden territory. Clad layer catastrophe. The 1993 D is famous for missing clad layers. The copper-nickel sandwich sometimes fails and the outer layer peels or never bonds properly. When the reverse clad layer is completely gone, you see raw copper blazing through like exposed wiring. These missing clad 1993 D quarters are visual dynamite. One authenticated MS62 red example sold for $155. But superior specimens with dramatic contrast have gone much higher. I'm putting this exact 1993 D under extreme magnification right now, so you witness the chaos yourself. Zoom on the reverse eagle. See any extra thickness on the wings or lettering? That could be DDR screaming for attention. Flip to the edge. Any separation or peeling. That's clad layer failure territory. Check the obverse date and portrait for any ghost images from a second strike. These microscopic battle scars are where real fortune hides in 2026. What makes the 1993 D especially lethal is the combination potential. A coin with both DDR and partial clad separation, or double strike plus off-center. These error mashups are what separate million-view collectors from everyone else. The market is rewarding complexity more than ever right now. Advanced hunters in 2026 use a completely different playbook. They don't just glance at coins. They perform full surgical strikes, multiple lighting angles, rotation under magnification, edge inspection, weight checks, and even magnet tests for clad issues. Even without major errors, a solid uncirculated 1993 D can bring $8 to $30 in high grades. But layer on any of these defects and the value curve goes parabolic. Here's a terrifying truth most channels won't tell you. The Denver Mint in 1993 was pushing massive volume, and quality control slipped through the cracks more often than people realize. That's your opportunity window. Live challenge number 1. Pause this video immediately. Grab any 1993 quarters you own, And check the reverse eagle wings for doubling right now. Comment with DDR found or clean. I want to see how many of you are discovering errors live. Live challenge number 2. Check the edge carefully. Any copper showing through abnormally? Type clad exposed in the comments if you spot something suspicious. These real-time challenges are how you turn passive watching into active hunting. And that's exactly how serious collections and profits are built. Another advanced angle almost nobody covers: rotated die errors. Some 1993 D quarters show noticeable rotation between obverse and reverse. While minor rotation is common, larger degrees, 30+ degrees, become valuable and collectible. Die cracks, cuds, and collar damage also appear more frequently on this date due to the high-pressure production. A bold cud error on the 1993 D can transform an ordinary coin into a showpiece that draws serious offers. Think about the journey of this specific 1993 D, struck in Denver during the early 90s. It circulated for decades, survived countless transactions, and now in 2026 sits here revealing its secrets under the spotlight. That's the magic of error coins. They carry hidden stories and hidden value. The 1993 D proves that high mintage is not a death sentence. It's actually an invitation for error variety. More coins produced equals more chances for spectacular failures. This date rewards patience and sharp eyes more than almost any other in the 90s series. The hunters who take time to examine thousands of quarters are the ones cashing in while others complain that nothing good comes out anymore. Final close inspection time. I'm rotating this 1993 D slowly under bright light, so every possible error angle gets exposed. See how the light catches certain areas differently? That's how pros spot anomalies before they become obvious. The lesson from this 1993 D is crystal clear. Never dismiss a coin just because it had a high mintage. The mint's mistakes are your profit. Drop your biggest discovery from the challenges in the comments right now. The wildest finds might appear in an upcoming community roundup video. If your adrenaline is pumping and you want me to destroy the final coin in this trio with even more intensity, destroy that like button. We're building something special here. A new way of looking at modern quarters that most collectors still haven't discovered in 2026. Coin number 3 is coming in hot, but this 1993 D already delivered multiple knockout punches. Are you still with me? Let's finish this investigation strong. Here we are, coin number 3, the 1997 P Washington quarter, the final piece in this explosive trio that's about to tie everything together in ways you've never seen on YouTube before. The world was on the edge of the digital revolution. The Philadelphia Mint was still pumping out quarters at massive scale. Over 877 million 1997 P pieces entered circulation. Another sky-high mintage that makes beginners roll their eyes. But in 2026, this date has quietly become a goldmine for advanced error detectives who know exactly where to strike. This 1997 P doesn't just continue the chaos we saw in the 1984 P and 1993 D, it elevates it. Let's rip open the layers. Double die potential on 1997 P remains strong, especially on the obverse date and Liberty. Some specimens show aggressive notching and separation that rivals the best varieties from earlier years. These DDOs hit different because the 1997 dies were under extreme pressure from high production. Off-center strikes and multiple strikes continue to appear. A clean multi-strike 1997 P with overlapping designs creates a hypnotic effect that makes collectors weak in the knees and wallets open. Clad layer failures and striking through errors also show up with surprising frequency. When the outer nickel layer separates or grease blocks entire design elements, you get that raw copper flash or ghostly blank zones that scream premium. Always start with the date and mint mark area under strong light. Any thickening, shadowing, or notching, stop and investigate deeper. Liberty and I in God we trust are your early warning zones. Missing or distorted letters almost always indicate valuable die issues. Edge inspection is non-negotiable. Tilt the coin at 45 degrees. Look for copper exposure, irregular thickness, or finning that suggests clad problems or broad strikes. When getting rolls from the bank, sort by date first, then do batch magnification checks. 10 minutes per roll can uncover hidden treasures. Use phone macro mode plus external LED ring light for quick field checks. The best finds often happen in the first 30 seconds of examination. Weigh suspicious coins. Even small deviations can signal missing clad layers or extra metal from striking errors. Document everything with multiple photos before cleaning or spending. Provenance adds value when selling. These techniques turned thousands of ordinary hunters into serious profit makers this year. Right now in 2026, the error market for Washington quarters is stronger than ever. Strong DDO/DDR examples across these dates regularly sell between $200 and $1,500 plus on eBay and specialized auction sites. Dramatic off-center strikes with full dates push $800 to several thousand. Missing clad layer coins with nice eye appeal are moving fast in the $150 to $800 range. Combination errors, multiple types on one coin, are commanding the biggest premiums. Where to sell? Raw coins. Start on eBay with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. Use error, variety, and specific terms like DDO, missing clad in titles. Certified coins, heritage auctions, great collections, or Stax Bowers deliver the highest prices for graded material. Local coin shops. Good for quick sales, but expect 30 to 50% less than auction value. Online communities and error coin groups. Direct buyer connections often yield better results. The key in 2026 is storytelling. Buyers pay more for coins. With great photos, clear error explanation, and provenance. That's why filming your discoveries like this gives you an edge. The 1984 P wins for classic filled die and missing letter drama. The 1993 D dominates in double strikes and clad failures. The 1997 P brings refined complexity and strong double die potential. Together, they prove that three seemingly ordinary quarters from the 80s and 90s can contain more excitement and profit potential than most rare date coins. This entire examination should change how you look at every quarter that passes through your hands from now on. Smash that like button if this trio blew your mind. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next deep dive. Drop your biggest find from these dates in the comments. I read every single one, and the craziest stories get featured. Coin values fluctuate with market conditions. Always do your own research and consider professional grading for valuable pieces. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only.